Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo V60 bonnet. First, locate the primary bonnet release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. It's usually a small, distinct lever. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a click, indicating the first latch has disengaged. This action will slightly pop open the bonnet, preparing it for the next step. This initial release is crucial for safety and proper access. Now move to the front of your Volvo V60. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, positioning it near the center of the bonnet's edge. You are looking for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental opening and requires a specific action to fully release the bonnet. Take your time to locate it by feel. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it. Depending on your V60 model, you might push it to the left or lift it upwards. This specific movement will fully disengage the bonnet's locking system. You should feel a distinct click or release as it moves. This step is vital for safely raising the bonnet without causing any damage to the mechanism or paintwork. Be gentle but firm. With the safety latch released, you can now gently lift the bonnet upwards. It should open smoothly. Next, locate the bonnet support rod, which is typically found clipped to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip this rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the bonnet. This secures the bonnet in an open position, allowing safe access to the engine compartment for maintenance or checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.